Hey guys, making this really quick, easy candy. I've got some pecans, I've got some Rolos, and some little mini pretzel twist. It's pretty simple. I have it in just like a little cooking pan. If you do use a different type pan, I would definitely use parchment paper because I did sort of mess up and used a different pan. And all you're doing is just putting the pretzels down, taking the Rolos out of their little paper. You're going to heat or preheat your oven to 300 degrees. And it's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes just to melt them a little bit. And there they are. We've added little Reese's Pieces on top. We've added pecans. You can add M&Ms. You can add whatever you want. And I think we did like about 120 of them, and I think we only have 30 left. So it's a good one. Make it, give it away, eat it, just have fun with it. And Merry Christmas. Also, if you would hit the subscribe button, the like, and the notification bell, we would really appreciate it.